Car Bluetooth adapters modernize classic cars, enabling wireless music, hands-free calls, safer driving, and convenient smartphone connectivity. Today's video is about top 5 best car Bluetooth adapters for classic cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at 100 USB Bluetooth adapter for car. This Bluetooth FM transmitter car adapter delivers a powerful upgrade for older car audio systems, combining hi-fi bass boost, fast charging, and stable connectivity in one compact device. With Bluetooth 5.4 technology, it ensures fast pairing, reduced interference, and a strong 15 connection range for smooth music streaming and hands-free calls. The 60W charging system with dual USB-C PD and QC 3.0 ports allows simultaneous fast charging of up to 3 devices without power loss. One Press CH Plus and CH tuning makes frequency adjustment quick and effortless while driving. It also supports voice assistant control, real-time voltage monitoring, enhanced night lighting, and wide vehicle compatibility for added safety and convenience. Overall, it is a reliable, feature-packed solution for turning any car into a modern, connected, and enjoyable driving experience. Its strong noise filtering and bass enhancement significantly improve sound quality, making long drives more entertaining and comfortable. Easy installation and intuitive controls make it suitable for beginners and experienced drivers alike, ensuring a hassle-free upgrade experience. Now our second product is Samsung Bluetooth receiver for car. This car Bluetooth AUX adapter is a practical and affordable way to upgrade non-Bluetooth audio systems for wireless streaming. Using Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it provides a stable connection, fast pairing, and a reliable wireless range, making it easy to enjoy music from your phone on car stereos, home speakers, or wired headphones via the 3.5mm AUX port. One of its strongest features is the CVC 8.0 noise cancellation combined with DSP technology, which significantly reduces background noise and echo for clearer phone calls even in busy environments. The built-in microphone and one-button control make hands-free calling and navigation prompts simple and safe while driving. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 16 hours of continuous use, with fast Type-C charging in just 2.5 hours. It also supports use while charging for uninterrupted playback. Dual device pairing adds extra convenience, allowing seamless switching between music and calls. Overall, it's a compact, user-friendly solution for upgrading older audio systems. Our third product is Joyroom FM Transmitter Bluetooth Car Adapter. The Joyroom FM Transmitter Bluetooth Car Adapter is a versatile upgrade for vehicles without built-in Bluetooth, offering both FM transmission and a zero-distortion AUX mode for crystal-clear audio through a 3.5mm connection. It delivers flexible connectivity along with stable performance thanks to its advanced Bluetooth 6.0 chip, ensuring fast pairing, strong signal stability, and automatic reconnection for convenience. A major highlight is its powerful 3-port charging system, featuring a 60W PD Type-C port and dual QC 3.0 USB ports that can charge multiple devices simultaneously at high speed. The smart LED lighting design also improves nighttime visibility, making port access easier while driving. For safety, the vent-mounted design keeps controls within easy reach and reduces driver distraction with larger, user-friendly buttons. The hi-fi bass boost function enhances music with deep, rich sound, while CVC 8.0 noise reduction and an upgraded microphone ensure clear hands-free calls even in noisy conditions. Overall, it's a powerful all-in-one car accessory combining fast charging, superior audio quality, and safer driving convenience in a compact design. Now number 4, SyncWire Bluetooth FM Transmitter Car Adapter. The SyncWire Bluetooth FM transmitter is a feature-rich car adapter designed to upgrade both audio experience and convenience in any vehicle. With advanced Bluetooth 5.4 technology, it delivers fast 1-second pairing, stable connectivity, and minimal sound loss for smooth, uninterrupted music and calls. A standout feature is the dual microphone system combined with CVC 8.0 noise reduction, which effectively filters out road noise, wind, and background disturbances, ensuring crystal-clear hands-free conversations. The Hi-Fi Deep Bass mode, activated with a simple B button, enhances music with rich, powerful low frequencies for a more immersive driving experience. It also supports safe and efficient 54W fast charging through PD36W and QC 3.0 18W ports, allowing 2 devices to charge simultaneously while protecting against overheating and overvoltage issues. The stylish rainbow LED lighting adds a modern touch to the car interior and can be easily turned off when not needed. Overall, this adapter combines strong performance, safety, fast charging, and premium sound quality, making it a reliable all-in-one upgrade for everyday driving comfort. And our last choice is NULAXI Bluetooth Car Adapter Charger. The NULAXI Bluetooth Car Adapter is a powerful all-in-one solution for upgrading any vehicle's audio and charging system. With 54W high-speed charging powered by PD36W and QC18W outputs, plus a 4-port design, it allows multiple devices to charge simultaneously, making long drives more convenient and worry-free. Built with advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures faster pairing, stronger stability, and improved sound clarity for both music streaming and hands-free calls. The connection feels smooth and reliable, reducing interruptions while driving. For audio performance, the one-touch bass boost enhances low frequencies for a richer and more immersive music experience. The colorful 5-mode LED lighting not only adds a modern aesthetic but also improves nighttime visibility for safer control. It also supports smart voice commands and precise tactile buttons, allowing fully hands-free operation for navigation, calls, and music control. Built-in safety protections guard against overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits, while wide 12V/24V compatibility ensures use in most vehicles. Overall, it's a feature-packed and dependable car accessory for modern drivers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.